Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showing off the OneWorld 65-watt GaN charger. It's a world adapter. We'll show all the bits and pieces and how that works and all the electronics. And we also have the EVRI magnetic USB-C cable. So this end comes off and it reattaches via magnetics. It's really cool. Super strong magnet right there, and we'll show how this works with the headphones, the Edifier headphones that we have right here. So we'll show you all the details of the charger, and you can pause anytime. Also be in the description below. Works with 200 plus countries, so that's a lot. Has a cool feature for some of the plugs. We'll show you that. So this is rated up to 100 watts, this cable. So it's good for your laptop, your tablet, and your iPhone and Android devices. And this end you can actually replace with a lightning end too if you want. So that'll work there. So here's the charger. You can plug in almost anything to this. Nothing with a ground, unfortunately, but that's how these work. So you have the US and Australia. These also work with China. For Australia, you can see here that you have to turn in the plugs. So it has a slight turn in like that. That's for Australia, and then you turn them the other way for China. So it will also retract in that as well if you want to leave it. So North America is flat like that. Those will retract. Here's the UK, shows you right there, UK, and here's for Europe, right there. So that's easy enough. The fuse right here, and then replacement fuse right there. Now what's great about this is it uses GaN technology, and this is a 65-watt port that supports Power Delivery and QuickCharge 3.0. And on the bottom, you get two 12-watt ports and two 15-watt ports. So you have 15, 15, 12, 12, and the greatest port right here is 65. So that's cool. We're going to put the USA plug on. We're going to plug it in. Okay, now it's ready. Now we're going to plug in the cable. This is the end that has the magnetic part right there, and then we're going to plug it into our Edifier earbuds like that, and there we go. Now they're charging. And this cable actually has a light that shows what's happening. Right there shows that it's green, and that means it's charging. So you can get both of these products from OneAdaptr. They sell this charger and they also sell this cable, and it comes with a nice carrying case for the charger. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.